Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Today, I've got something extra special for you. I recently printed a unique creation on my 3D printer, and it's not your typical plastic masterpiece. Nope, it's a 3D printed pistol that shoots toothpicks. Intrigued? Well, let's dive right in and explore this unconventional project together. First off, feast your eyes on this. The 3D model that's about to become our toothpick shooting wonder. Precision, detail, and a touch of mischief. That's the name of the game. Now let's get down to business. Witness the mesmerizing dance of layers as my 3D printer brings this pistol to life. Layer by layer, our unconventional creation is taking shape. It's not just about the end result. It's about the journey of creation, and I'm thrilled to share it with you. As the printer works, it's magic. You can appreciate the precision and complexity that goes into every detail, making this pistol more than just a novelty. It's a testament to the incredible capabilities of modern 3D printing technology. Alright, the moment of truth has arrived. Here's the 3D printed toothpick pistol in all its glory. Time to load it up and see how it performs. But remember, safety first, folks. Locked and loaded. Now, let's take it for a spin. Ready, aim, fire. Would you look at that? Our 3D printed toothpick pistol is not just for show. It's a mini powerhouse, delivering precision shots with a touch of DIY flair. Imagine the possibilities. A playful office battle or a quirky addition to your next party. Creativity knows no bounds. Well, that wraps up our adventure today. From a mere idea to a tangible, functional creation. That's the magic of 3D printing. If you enjoyed this quirky project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unconventional DIY endeavors. Until next time, happy printing and stay creative.